Here we will learn what kind of ideas can be in parallel. In the previous video, we discussed what is parallel construction and the definition, or I would say the concept of parallel construction. Here we learn what kind of ideas can be in parallel. Any grammatical unit in a sentence can be parallel. Understand, any grammatical unit in a sentence can be parallel. The grammatical unit could be nouns, adjectives, verbs, participles, prepositional phrases, subordinate clauses. It could be anything, right? It could be anything. And we'll take examples of, we already have seen nouns and adjectives coming in parallel in the previous example. Napoleon was capricious, vengeful, and some kind of other dictator, right? So we will again take the examples, and we already have seen adjectives and nouns in parallel. In the subsequent videos, we will see the other kinds of grammatical units that can come in parallel. We have already discussed two examples, right? We will take a few more examples and see how verbs, participles, phrases, and subordinate clauses can come in parallel. We'll go to the next slide. So here we have, I will repeat the example again, just bear with us. Napoleon was an ambitious, vengeful, capricious. We have adjective 1, we have adjective 2, we have adjective 3, and the adjectives are in parallel. Let's quickly go to the next one. Napoleon was full of X, Y, and Z, right? Full of ambition, full of vengeance, full of caprice. Imagine full of ambition and you have full of vengeful. So the full of vengeful would sound awkward, right? So full of ambition, full of vengeance, and full of caprice. Now, how can the verbs be in parallel? The Mughal Emperor Babur captured Delhi, fixed his headquarters near Agra, and proceeded to execute the traitors who had deserted him. The verbs are the three parallel elements in the sentence. They are in the same form. The Mughal emperor captured Agra. So we have V1, that is the verb 1. He fixed Delhi, his headquarters near Agra, and proceeded to execute the traitors who had deserted him. And suppose if you want to make it in the simple present tense, then you would have to change everything. The Mughal Emperor Babur captures Delhi, fixes his headquarters near Agra, and proceeds to execute the traitors who had deserted him, right? So this is how we make the sentence parallel. Softly, gently, warmly, he whispers I love you in her ears. The three adverbs are the parallel elements in the sentence. Softly, gently, warmly. The three adverbs have come in parallel. So what we have seen? We have seen that the adjectives can be in parallel, the nouns can be in parallel, the verbs can come in parallel, and the adverbs too can come in parallel, right? Let's go to the next video and see some more examples of things that can come in parallel.